guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert any video file to MP3 file using VLC Media Player. So for example, I have this video file which is a AVI file. So I will right click and go to the property, and I can see it's a .avi file, which is a format of video file, right? You can even convert MP4 file or any other video format using the same steps. It doesn't matter which type of video is it. It can be AVI file or MP4 file or any other video file. So this video file, I want to convert it into an audio file in the format of MP3 file. So I can do it using VLC Media Player, and let's see how can I do it. So what I'm going to do is I will open VLC Media Player. You can download VLC Media Player from its website for free. So it's free to use. And once you open this VLC Media Player, you need to click this Media tab here. And then you need to click this Convert/Save option. So click this and then add your video you want to convert. Okay. So I will browse for the video which I want to convert, which is this one, and I will click open. So this will add the path of the video I want to convert, and then I will just click this button, Convert/Save button. So click this option, and then you will reach to the other window, and in here you can choose which kind of file you want to output. So just choose the option audio minus MP3 here. So make sure it should be audio minus MP3 format. Okay, and then you can choose the destination for your MP3 file after converting this video file. So I will choose the same destination as my video file, wherever my video file is. So I will choose this option from here, and then in the name of the video file or the MP3 file, you can give any name to your MP3 file, for example my MP3, and then you need to give the extension .mp3. So don't forget to give this .mp3 extension, otherwise it may cause some problem while opening this audio file. So always remember that, and your file name with .mp3. Okay, now I will just click save, and then I just can click this start button. And once I click start button, this process will start. You can see this process is going on, and in my destination folder here there is a file called my mp3 file, which is the output of the conversion. So once this process reaches to the end, so it will reach to the end in some seconds. So once this process is complete, you can open your MP3 files. So when I right click this file and go to the properties, it's a MP3 file, .mp3, right? And I can right click and open it with VLC Media Player itself. So right click, VLC Media Player, open with VLC Media Player, and then you can run this MP3 file. Okay, so it's really easy to convert any video format to MP3 file using VLC Media Player, and it's free. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.